Alright, we'll grab the teams, do them first. We'll take the names, do them next. Maybe. We got our teams. 6 times. Redskins up to Cardinals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, G Sports, nope. All spots are filled for tonight. Alright, and we got names. Undefeated all the way up to Cleo 6 times. Five last time. 6. Anthony on bottom. Swing you over next to the random teams. Alright, there's your teams. Got MA with the Seahawks, Miz with the Jags, Cleo with the Raiders, Diana with the Browns, Undefeated with the Panthers, Cleo with the Cardinals, Dallas with the Colts, Possible with the Falcons, Murph with the Ravens, Max with the Eagles, Undefeated with the Jets, Cleo Packers, Leak with the Rams, Leak with the Bills, Big Bank got the Giants, Undefeated got the Lions, Bucks, Bengals, K got the Vikings, Cleo with the Steelers, Texans, Broncos, Big Bank with the Chargers, Cleo with the Skins, Big Bank with the Chiefs, Diana with the Saints, Cleo with the Cowboys, Big Bank with the Niners, Cleo Patriots, Dallas Dolphins, Jay with the Bears, and Anthony with the Titans. Alright, good luck. Get the seal. Alright, box 1. Jim Plunkett, the Raiders. Jim Plunkett. We got the Raiders. Cleo R. Jim Plunkett. Beckett certified. Very nice. Box 1. Box 2. For the Dolphins, Bob Greasy. Vets. Nice. Leaf certified. Let's see. We have the Dolphins. Miami Dolphins. AA Dallas. Nice. Bob Greasy. Leaf certified. Very nice. Alright, guys. That was a random team mini helmet break. Next, we'll